Entrepreneurs, Jermaine back here with another video from TrueFreedomIncome.com. Hope you guys are doing awesome today. Today we are on June the 21st of 2025. We have made it to day number 72 of this Miley Gen Secret Challenge. All right. Now, if you guys have no idea what I'm talking about, we are promoting an offer on Clickbank in the business opportunity niche. And we're using a service called Miley Gen Secret system to use their traffic. Okay. And what we do is we put those two services together and we somehow see if we can earn income or earn a full-time income doing so. Okay. So if you guys have, don't know what's going on, guys, go back and watch these videos. Okay. Because I'm shooting a 365-day challenge, a 1-year challenge where I'm promoting one offer on Clickbank and I'm using the service with my Legion secret system. All right. So I'm just going to show you guys how this works and how we can earn the extra income that we all need, okay, to, do stuff with, okay? So we have made it to day number 72, and I just wanted to get right into it, guys, and show you guys how easy it is to earn income doing this method, all right? So let's go ahead and go on over here to My Legion Secret, okay? Now, My Legion Secret is an email service that provides 100 to 200 business opportunity leads every single day. So every day you come into your back office, you're either going to see 100 or 200 brand new leads. All right. Now, what differentiates, okay, whether you get 100 or 200 leads is how many accounts that you have. Now, the cool thing about My Legion Secret, why I love them so much, is that you can have multiple accounts with this service and you can stack your accounts on top of each other. Okay. So right now I have about 8 different accounts that I use. And you do the same, guys. Now, you don't have to run out and go get 8, but I would recommend getting, at least a few to go ahead and get started. And then as you progress, okay, you're going to want to add more accounts. Okay. Now I want you guys to go ahead and get started at this link right here. I did leave a link below this video, this tiny URL. / MLGS True Freedom. All right. That'll take you right to the Miley Gen Secret system. Go ahead and get started. And then after that, you can stack your own accounts, okay? And you can stack your accounts on top of each other. So what you could do is you could, once you sign up below, grab this link right here, and then you want to sign out of this account and then put this in the URL right here, okay? Put that in the URL. Uh-oh. Okay. Put that in the URL and then click on search. Okay. And what that does, it'll take you to the landing page of My Legion Secret to go ahead and get started. All right. So let's go ahead and get started. Now, the back office is going to look exactly like this, guys. The only thing different is going to be the emails that you sending out versus what I'm sending out. Okay. So that may look a little different there. And what we want to do is click on the mailing system. The mailing system is where you're going to be sending all your emails. Okay. So what you would do is you would come down here, click on select all. That transfers the emails from here over to here. Okay. So basically, when we send out one email, it's going to go out to over 178,000 people. Okay, which is really awesome, guys. So this email is going to go out to all of these people, and we're going to be able to get in front of all of those prospects, which is pretty cool. Okay. So you want to come down here. Every one of these emails are going to have a subject line and a body. Okay. Now I've already sent out my emails for today. So I'm just coming in to show you guys how to send out an email. So the offer that we're using, guys, is going to be an offer called Social Sales Rep, which is pretty cool. Okay, they have 20 different free email swipes that we can use, and what we do is we're going to repurpose these emails. We're going to basically go through them first, send these first, okay? Because these convert very well. All right. Now, after you use these emails over a few times, we're going to go in and we're going to change up the emails, kind of rewrite the emails and make them look a little different. Okay. So we can seem to be a little bit different than to our prospects. Okay. So, and just another thing about this traffic, it is cold traffic, guys. So these people have no idea who we are. Okay. And they have to get warmed up to us. All right. So what we want to do, let's go ahead and send out an email in this system. So let's go ahead and just send out this one. Okay. Make $30 an hour with live chat work. So we want to come here, go to the subject line, Control V, paste that in there, come down here to your body, click on perfect timing. Okay. And then you want to come back here and you want to just grab this body of text. Okay. Just highlight all of it. Control C. Underneath every email, there's going to be an affiliate link that we're going to use that goes with this email. Okay. So we're going to use where it says click here. We're going to make this a clickable link and we're going to put this link in. We're going to put this affiliate link into this bold text here. Okay. Which is, I'm going to show you how to do that. So you want to come down here. I like Control A, Control V. Boom, super easy to do. Okay, and then we want to let's come down here and we want to take out where it says signature. You either want to put in management or put in your first name, whichever one you like. Okay, and then right where it says hide name, we want to take that out and we want to put in, we want to address our prospect by their first name. Okay, that's very important. Okay, that way we're not addressing them by their last name, and also we're not addressing them by their first and last name. Right, first name sounds great. Okay, it sounds much more personable. And what it says is like, hi Jermaine, are you curious about finding out, what online project results that we have, right, for new hires? So you just want to come down here. Everything looks good. And what we want to do here, where it says click here in bold text, we want to turn this into a clickable link. So what I want to do is I want to highlight that whole thing. Okay. We want to turn that into clickable link. Okay. So I like to do something, and I like to change up the color a little bit too as well. So you want to come over to this link tab. Okay. And this link tab is where you're going to send out your links. Okay. So you want to Control C. Let's go ahead and grab that link, come back over here and Control V. Okay. And then where it says your Clickbank affiliate ID, you want to put in your Clickbank affiliate ID, guys. That's very important. Don't put in mine, put in yours. Okay. And then go ahead and click on OK. What that does is turns that into a clickable link. So as you can see, that looks like a clickable link. Okay. So just want to come down here, and I like to either use 16 or 18, whichever one you guys like. Okay. So now this email is ready to go. It's addressing our prospect by their first name. It gives them a good job description of what this job entails. It shows them the income potential. And you always want to make sure that your email has some kind of income potential, or in the body of the email, and also the subject line as well. So down here it says click here to get started. What our prospect is going to do, we're telling them what to do. It has a call to action button at the bottom. More than likely, people are going to click on that link. Okay. Now we're going to, down at the bottom is going to be two buttons. It's either going to say send now or preview. Okay. You want to click on preview that ad. Make sure that when it clicks, whenever it pulls up your email, where it pulls up your site, I'm sorry guys, that it has your affiliate link in the URL. Okay. In this URL. Okay. It's very important, because the last thing you want is to send out an email to thousands of people, hundreds of people, right? And your link doesn't work, something is misspelled and it's not going to your page. Okay. So you want to make sure that you're getting the credit for it, and that, you make the money for it by your information being set up correctly. Okay. So that's pretty much it, guys. That's how easy it is to send out an email in the My Legion Secret. It takes me about 5 to 10 minutes to send out all 8 accounts. That should let you know how fast it takes for you to send out these emails. It's very easy to do, and I just showed you how to do it. All right. Now, if you're going over here to Clickbank, Clickbank is a network service that provides different niches. Okay, they have different offers as well that we can promote for free. Okay, it doesn't cost us anything to promote these offers, and we earn a small commission. Okay, with these offers. Okay. Now, the offer that we are promoting is called Social Sales Rep. Now, this offer, what I like about it so much is that it has a $20 rebill each and every month. Okay, so all we got to do is get somebody to sign up for it, and then they're going to get billed over and over and over again for the program. Okay, which is really awesome. Okay, so that's our whole idea here, guys, is to get multiple people signing up for the program, and then every month we're going to get that $20 stackable commissions. All right, which is pretty cool, and that's what we're working towards. Okay. So let's go ahead and check our ClickBank account from last night's emails. We did come in here last night, guys. We sent out some emails, okay? And I wanted to show you those results. Real quick, like I said, there is a one-time charge. Let's go back here to My Legion Secret. There is a one-time charge of only $60 to get started. Okay, and then there's a fee of $30 a month to keep the service. That $30 a month, you're going to get thousands of people coming in your account every single month. You're going to have brand new people and brand new subscribers. Okay, and that's what every affiliate marketer needs, is traffic. Okay, whether you go paid ads, or you do solo ads, you do media buys, whatever. Okay. This is by far the easiest method, because it's this traffic that you pay for, and then you're getting thousands of people that come in every month, and then you get to keep that traffic. Okay. That traffic doesn't go away. It stays with you. Okay. And then that account can stack up to thousands and thousands and thousands of people. Like I said, I've been doing this over 3 years now. I totally love it. I mean, I love the MLGS secret system. I've promoted so many different offers to this traffic, guys. It does convert, but like again, like I said, it is cold traffic. Okay, so you're gonna have to come in here, send out emails every single day, get these people to warm up to you, and then they will start to purchase from you. Okay, that's the secret. Okay, you have to send out emails over and over and over and over again, so people get tired, and then they say, "Hey, this guy's legit. Let me go ahead and see what he's talking about." They'll go into your offer and they'll decide to buy for whatever reason, or they don't buy. Okay. So let's go back over here to Clickbank. Now, yesterday we did get 3 sales in a row, which is really good. But today's the 21st and we didn't get a sale. Okay. So let's go ahead and go over here to the reporting tab and let's see how we did. Okay. Today's the 21st. We are promoting social sales rep. We got over 797 hops, 450 unique hops. Okay, it was kind of slow today on the unique hops. These are brand new IP addresses that came to our checkout page. Okay, now we didn't get a lot of unique hops like I wanted to. And then we also, as you can see here, we didn't get any initial sales, any order form impressions. We got one, but it's from some YouTube traffic. Okay, but the offer we're promoting is social sales rep right here. We didn't get any order form impressions and we didn't get any rebuilds today, guys, which is, man, I was hoping for that today. Okay. Now we didn't get anything today, but think about me as I'm always looking forward. If I don't make nothing today, I'm always looking forward to the next day. And then making sure my emails are correct, making sure that I'm coming up with unique emails and things like that to entice my customers. And then that's all we're really wanting to do is perfect these emails and send them out to where we get people's attention and we get them to start purchasing from us. Okay. So, but today we didn't get any sales today. Okay. I'm not going to hang my head low. I'm going to be looking at tomorrow to be getting some kind of initial sale or some kind of rebuild from somewhere. Okay. So just remember, since we made it to this day, we are in the third month. Okay. Now, as we keep growing 4 and 5 months, you're going to start seeing a difference. Okay. You're going to start seeing these sales go up and up, and then here soon. Okay. We're going to start receiving payments every single day. All right. And we're going to do that in this 365 challenge. That's why I said stick with me, guys. Subscribe to this channel below. Okay. Let me know what you think about this stuff. Hit the like button. It helps the algorithm. It helps, people see this content and get it out there. And just another thing, guys, this is not like some kind of lottery ticket, method. Okay. You're going to have to put in the work. Okay. You do have to put in the work. You got to send out emails. You can send out one email every 24 hours. So I don't want you guys thinking that you can come in here, send out an email and you're going to make hundreds of dollars, in a day. It doesn't work like that. Okay. You have to put in the work. Okay. You have to send out emails every single day. And after you do that, after a while, okay, it can either be a week. Sometimes it can take 3 weeks. Sometimes it can take 2 to 5 months, right? In order for this thing to start taking off for you. Okay. But once it takes off, it's going to take off, guys. And that's the light at the end of the tunnel. Okay. That you're going to want to stay and see, and you want to walk through that until you can get to the tunnel. At the end, you're going to see the light and you're going to start earning income. All right. So I'm going to cut this video short. I just wanted to come in and show you how to do stuff, guys. I showed you how to send out an email in the MyLegion secret system. I showed you how easy that was. I also showed you the results from last night. Even though we didn't make anything, I still wanted to come in here and show you the results today, guys, because I owe you that. Whether it's the good times or the bad times, I want to come in and show you when we're not doing something and when we are doing something. That way you can see the struggle. And then at the end of this challenge or in the middle of this challenge, when we start cranking and we're getting those sales, guys, then you're going to be thinking to yourself, oh man, all we had to do is just stick with this thing, to the end, and then we would have seen that light at the end of the tunnel. So, just a couple of gold nuggets there, guys. Stick with this method, guys. Follow me what I'm doing. Like I said, subscribe to this channel, and I would love to, show you guys what I'm doing. I also have other income opportunities. This is probably the lowest income opportunity that I have, but eventually after this challenge, like I told you guys from the beginning, I'm not going to veer off and just start showing you other ways to make money. I'm going to stick with one thing and I'm going to do it. And after that one thing, then I'll bring in other income opportunities that I do that are super cool. Okay. So I'm going to leave this video on that note. I will come back here tomorrow at the same time, same place. All right, guys. Peace.